everybody, what's up? My name is Bree and this is the B side. Today I'm going to be showing you how I remove my lock sprinkles. Now, removing your lock sprinkles is going to be easy if you used Kanekalon fibers to install them. You hear what I said? I said if you use Kanekalon fibers to install your lock sprinkles, removing them is a piece of cake. Otherwise, you got the wrong video. Alright, so this is what you want to do. You want to take your lock sprinkle like this, and you want to start from the bottom. Or you want to start from the point at which you started the lock sprinkle. I always start my lock sprinkles from down at the bottom, but if you started yours in the middle, coming from the top down, then you want to start where you began them. I am going to start from the bottommost sprinkle and just pull that one off. That's the tie that you need to break. Okay, that's that one. Oh wow, that one didn't even need to break. That one was barely holding on. And you want to move up in ascending order to remove the sprinkles. You see? Now, every time you do that, it's perfect because it brings the Kanekalon fiber back through the hair so that nothing is like left behind in your hair. You know what I mean? Like, it's all going to be removed. It's so fast and so simple, and with this method of removal, you'll be able to use your sprinkles again. I mean, if you want to. I know some people are like, I ain't finna keep up with a whole bunch of tiny weenie ass beads. And I understand that. I'm dropping some on the floor and I'm definitely not going to pick those up. But I am trying to keep up with what I got. Now that you reach the end, you want to take a look at your lock and see if there's any fibers you can find. There are these right here. You can see them. And all you have to do is tug gently and these will come out. Like, you don't even have to break them and leave them behind in your hair, girl. They all going to come out. There you go. Your last check of fibers, boom, they're gone. You do that, you just keep repeating that motion. Here, I'll do another one for you, just in case. And you know, y'all, excuse my face and stuff, it's real greasy, but I've been out today and I had my magical red lip on because this lip tells me the truth about the world, okay? I find so much stuff out and it's chipping, but this lip is really showing me what I need to know about people and what I need to know about myself. Like, I find a lot out when I'm the lady in red. You know what I'm saying? The truth is revealed. I don't know. But I know. Here, like I said, starting from the bottom, working your way up, 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 and up. There you go. And see, actually that last one came off with that hair. Their hair came off with the last one. I'm just showing this against my face because I think that you'll be able to see the fibers better. I don't know. You may not want to see my grease, but actually Anita told me the greasier your face is, the less you'll age. So I know I'm going to be set because your girl is a greaseaholic over here. Yep. And y'all, Kanekalon fibers to install your lock sprinkles is the best. Do not use thread if you ever plan on taking your lock sprinkles down. See, that's fiber hair. And yeah, like everything comes out clean. There's nothing left in your locks. Unlike the thread, I think I was pulling out thread for months in my hair, just letting it work its way out, and that's kind of ridiculous. I ain't gonna do that no more. I'm just gonna use fiber. It takes longer, but shh. And by fibers I mean hairs. Like, get some Kanekalon hair that you got left over and then thread your needles and do your lock sprinkles up, because your lock sprinkles are gonna be cute. They're gonna be cute, but when you're ready to take them down, you can. It's not gonna be a problem.